exposing the secret behind Singapore's industrial success. Here's why you need to be part of it. Singapore's industrial properties are your gateway to Southeast Asia. Imagine your business thriving with seamless access to global markets, all from one strategic location. With prime zones like Jurong Industrial Estate for heavy industries, Tuas for high-tech manufacturing, and Paya Lebar for advanced tech, there's a spot tailored for every need. From warehouses with smart storage solutions and temperature control, to factories built for heavy-duty production, Singapore offers versatile spaces to suit any industry. Whether you want to buy, rent, or lease, you'll find flexible options to match your business model. Enjoy world-class infrastructure, pro-business policies, and government incentives that make Singapore the ideal industrial hub. Don't miss out on the booming demand for these prime properties. Secure your space now and watch your business soar. Contact Ku Raymond at 9028 3201 or visit Singapore Industrial Property Guru, home to explore your options. Let's build your future in Singapore.